Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring Dolphin is installed and permissions are granted, then open Settings and enable Wiimote support. Once done, pair your phone's Bluetooth if using a real controller, or prepare to use the built-in gyro. Make sure your device has a working gyroscope. Without it, motion controls feel unresponsive. Now go to Controllers and choose Emulate the Wii Remote or Real Wiimote. This first step sets the foundation. Configuration and hardware readiness determine accuracy and latency. You now map the gyro and calibrate it. Open the Wiimote configuration, pick the motion source, internal gyro or external, and assign axes if needed. Once selected, place the phone flat to center sensors, then follow the calibration prompts to establish neutral orientation. After calibration, tweak sensitivity and smoothing to balance responsiveness and stability. Lower smoothing for crisp turns, higher for steady aiming. Test immediately in a low-stakes scene so you can iteratively adjust until you finish by fine-tuning per-game settings and saving profiles so you don't repeat setup. Once stable, reduce frame limiting and enable dual-core to cut input lag, but make sure the game stays compatible. If you see drift or jitter, recalibrate first. If that fails, reboot the app and repair your device. As a last step, toggle the Use Native Gyro option or lower sensitivity in small increments. This sequence resolves most issues and leaves you ready to play with reliable motion controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.